Judy Goldberg. I'm the Executive Director with United Way of Printing, and this is one of our major fundraisers for our upcoming campaign. And the target is $2,115,600.
Community Employment Services. Start here. Dundas Street. Here, I'll grab it.
CEO.ca. Join the YMCA. You'll be glad you did.
The Scratch is back. Now through September 21st, it's Lowe's Scratch